Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video for another giveaway. Now, I did one on Christmas Day and I think it's about time I did another. This time it's for this thing here. This is the Flywoo Flyleos 85, something like that. It's a cute little quadcopter and it needs to find a home because I'm not flying it. So if you fancy trying something like this out, standard stuff, like, comment, subscribe, pop your details down below and I'll do the draw probably first couple of days of 2024. I'm not going to hang around for too long. I'm sure you're having a wonderful time with your friends, family and loved one. Best wishes for the festive season and for 2024, and do keep an eye on the channel. There are maybe going to be one more draw before we get to the new year. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.